Sawona driving school.
Yebo sisi kunjani?
Yebo ngiyaphila. Ngiyazi ukuthi i-first day yami namhlanje. Mara mina sengiyakwazi ukudrive ne. So ngicela senze fast maceda ngizothola license yami.
Alright.
Ngiyakhona ukuyithola namhlanje license yami.
But uyazi driving ama slippers.
Mina ngisho like sengiyakwazi ukudrive and stuff.
Oh, alright. Ngicela ucheck ama-mirror wakho ukuthi right.
Ama-mirror kanjani?
ama side mirror ilawo.
Yelawo. Oh yeah, waphukanga right.
Awa-check ukuthi aphukile. Uya-checka ukuthi akunanix la emasayitini before ususa imoto yakho.
Nix eyenzani? Kunalezi zindlu leziyana ezenzeni.
Sisi. Ngicela ucheck igear lakho ukuthi liku neutral.
Okay.
Hawu, sisi uyakwazi ukudrive igear lakho ulicheck up. Yekela iskin.
Right.
Nali key.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yenzeni?
Ngicela ucheck ukuthi liku neutral.
Right. Actually no gear 5.
Uthi uya-try.
Yeah, ngiyakwazi nangu gear 5 ngisho i-right.
Alright. Bengicela ustart imoto sizoma lapha e-stop sign lapha.
Okay, siyahamba manje. Mangiceda ngizothola my license yami.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mawuphasile.
Ngiyenza lana ngisho.
Sisi, awukwazi ustart imoto. Kunesikhiya uyasithena.
Yeah, nangiyazi.
Alright. Hey! Yo, Nkosi yami.
Akusiyile moto yakho.
Uthe uyakwazi ukudrive.
Ngiyakwazi ngisho mina ekhaya bangifundisa nge-BM ayingale moto.
Ngithe kuye-check igear ukuthi liku neutral, ustart imoto isegiyeni.
Beyi-right, angisho igear nayo inayo i-gear 5.
Yo. Nkosi yami. Switch off iskey. Cela uyeke.
Tell license yami.
Great video for educational purpose. I love this type of content. Yes, you're going to come across people who knows it all. And now she's blaming it on, the vehicle. She's like saying at home they taught her how to drive with BM. So the problem should be the car, because she knows how to drive. But she's struggling with mirrors, she's struggling with gears, she's struggling with, switching on the ignition. Yes. This is the type of content that we need. Kudos. Well done, my beautiful brother. Well done, my beautiful sister, for giving us this type of content. Educational. Many people who goes to driving test, they will tell you that I know how to drive. But when they get there, they see flames because of they're not ready. And I must also say, the other side of this lesson is that there are also the students who goes to DLTC when they are not ready because of they were told that they are ready. They were not told the truth. There are those who goes there, take few lessons, and now the instructor will be like, no, you're good, my sister. Mnandi manje. Yes, we will book for you. Don't worry, you will come back with it. Serious, I'm coming back with my driver's license. Yes, you are going to come back with it, definitely sure. Plus that examiner, that one she's nice, that one. Don't worry, you will come back with it. Later on, when she's told that she failed, when you look into her eyes, she wants to cry, because she was told that she's ready and she's not ready. I've been at different DLTCs. I will have a conversation with that sister, because I will go there and spend hours. And normally, we will start a dialogue when we're talking. I can tell that the person is not ready before they can even jump into a truck. That, my beautiful sister, you're not ready. They were not supposed to book for you. I would take ready, Angishu. The brother said, I'm ready. He said he's going to book for me. And he said, I will come back with it. Now, they get... Oh, man. The idea of coming home with a driver's license is becoming so exciting in a way that they're forgetting to put in the work. They think it's a miracle. And I must also say, these ladies are not stupid, or these guys are not stupid who are convinced that they're ready when they know that they're not ready. They're not stupid. Here is where they get played. The person will say you are ready, uzofunda emgwaqweni, you'll learn while you're busy driving. That's how many people go through with it. But I need to tell you that there, as long as you had a call ring, as long as you have this on the side, it's going to be easy for you. That person knows that you have the lessons, you know the things, the person will simplify things for you. So she goes there knowing that I took lessons, I learned how to drive, plus the instructor said I can pass. The instructor said if I have so much money, it's guaranteed that I'll come back with it. And also the examiner knows my situation. So she goes there with the intention of coming back with it because she also paid extra. Not knowing that sometimes the extra money doesn't reach the examiner. Sometimes the extra money is not going to carry it. When she failed, the reason why she's crying is that I paid for lessons, I booked for a truck, I also paid extra money, and the examiner was rude to me. She's confused. She doesn't understand why is she rude to me if I already gave her extra money. So these type of videos are very educational, and I appreciate you guys showing me love and support. My battery is low. I have to stop it here so that I can charge it and come back and create more videos. Thank you.